How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix stuck on analyzing game data FiveM. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your FiveM, and from here, right click on it, select the open file location, and then it will take us to the FiveM application data. Click on it and then just delete the logs folder. Navigate through crashes, and then you want to make sure to delete everything inside this folder too. And then let's navigate through data, and then just make sure to delete the server cache. And same thing with the cache itself right here. Just make sure to have the servers, subprocess, the crashometry, and this files right here on the cache folder. Now, after doing that, you then want to head over to your FiveM application once more. Right click on it, click on the show more options, and then navigate through properties. Inside, you just click on advanced, click OK, and that's basically it for the shortcuts category. Next, navigate through security or general. In here, click advanced once again, and just make sure that the file is ready for archiving, and they allow this file to have contents indexed in additional to file properties is enabled. Click on OK. And lastly, let's click on security, click advanced, and then from here, you just want to make sure that your user has an access to this game or to this file. So if not, you just want to click on the add option, and then basically from here select a principal, and then to figure out the name of your device, you can just navigate through your command prompt and then type who am I. In here it will say that our computer is named Kimi, so I'll just go ahead and basically type that right here. Click OK, and we will have admin access onto our folder right here. Click on apply, click OK, and same thing with this one, apply and OK. From there, let's navigate through our command prompt. You also have to make sure to open the command prompt as administrator. So let's just do that real quick. Click on run as administrator, click on yes, and then let's enter the following command, which is going to be the net sh winsock reset. Hit on enter, and then it will say successfully reset the winsock catalog. For the next one, net sh int ip reset. Hit on enter, and lastly, you want to type flush DNS right here. Now, that should be able to help you fix the problem. We have resetted everything from the network itself, so it will be able to analyze the game files. Basically, you just want to restart your computer, open up FiveM, and from there, that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.